Hey Flitz fans, Graham here from Team Flitz. Have you ever run into this situation? You get in an accident, they fix one headlight, but your insurance company is not going to fix the other. So what do? You got to clean it yourself. I'm going to show you how fast and easy it is with the Flitz products to get that done. Here we go. Grab yourself a little water, grab yourself a sanding pad. I'm using a 1000 grit sandpaper right here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to wet this. Wet that headlight. We're going to take our sandpaper and we're going to wet sand this. What that's going to do is it's going to grab a real fine layer of the oxidation that's on the headlight. So get that done. Now we got to dry this baby right off. Now your headlight looks a little bit worse than it probably started, but no worries, we got it covered. Take your Flitz polish, put a little bit on the area, and then what we're going to do is we're going to grab the Flitz buff ball. It's going to save me a little elbow grease. Just smear that in like that a little bit. And then we're going to start working it. Just work it real slow. And give it some juice. The one thing about this Flitz buff ball here, just saves you a lot of time instead of knuckle busting it by hand. Well, there you have it. 5 minutes of little buffing time, a little Flitz polish, and there you go. Saved yourself a couple $100 on replacing another headlight lens. Flitz it.